Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? So today I want to test my DJI bike mounts that I got. So I'll just be going for a ride around the area and see if I can get some nice and steady shots. But first off, I'm going to be filming myself while I ride and talk to you guys. And also, I want my channel to be very interactive. Like, I want you guys to communicate with me on the channel, like where you want me to go, what you want me to do, things you want me to try. You know, I'm open to so many things on this channel. That's why it's called Loudframe. It's not a one-way channel. It's a channel open to do so many things. That's why if you watch, you'll see I do some normal places, visiting places content, and also I do some what do you call it, perfume content, because I love perfumes. I love to smell good. I'm not a perfume influencer, but trust me, if I tell you the perfume is good, that perfume is good. I've tried it, I've bought it with money, and I can tell you. So basically, I just got this DJI bike mount. It's not that expensive, it's only 19 quid. I went to the DJI shop to get it, and today it's very cold. Well, I said no, I'm gonna try something today. That's why I'm out here doing this bike ride. And I'm talking to you guys at the same time, because you guys are the ones that would encourage me to do more on the channel, and hopefully I get steady shots, because the mount as I'm riding, it's a bit shaky. Well, I don't know. At the end of the day, I've got my stability on my DJI Action 5 Pro, so hopefully I get steady shots. Oh, this place is nice. And some construction is going on here. Okay. So now, let me see how I can. Okay, now is the time to stop talking and show you guys a bit of the views of what this place looks like that I'm riding through. So I'm gonna cut the camera and I'm gonna flip it to the other side. That's as much I can show you guys. Time for me to head home. It's too cold, guys. Trust me on this one. Man. I don't even know how to take this inside this cold. So now I want to switch to my language. Basically, I'm gonna try subscribe to my channel, because even I subscribe, they don't go come on £1 for our account. Everybody go happy. And if YouTube come start to give me level now, you know, once in a while, I'm gonna do giveaway. Everybody go be happy. Everybody go dey smile. Everybody go good. Everybody go make way. You know hard. If 1,000 people just subscribe now, before you know, I go send YouTube message. They go give me monetization, and everybody go dey okay. Also, I'm gonna like and comment for the page. You know hard, that's still free. You know hard, that's still free. You don't even need to watch my video to the end if you don't want to watch. If you feel it's too boring to you, just watch and small. And like me, leave comment. That's how it be. Still. Now we go to, they sort ourselves. We go forget long story. And also, if I want, look at they do this bike ride. I can they pull some story. You can get plenty story. I want pull over. I need to know that you guys love content like this. If not, I don't go bother to do them. Because at the end of the day, why you go do content and people don't want to watch? So what be the essence of doing it? So yeah, so I don't try today. Now to find somewhere go return this bike. My current boss, they go my house. You know, say for London, everywhere good, but everywhere still no good. But I get many story to pull for now. Go like. But I need to know, say, when I go back do my story. So I switch back to English. If you like this video and want to see more of this kind of videos, please like, subscribe. If you're generous enough, comment and share. God bless you all. Have a lovely day. That's bye from me.